Hi all, my name is Hitesh and I welcome you all to TradeBrains YouTube channel. If you are new to our channel, please comment, like and subscribe to our channel. Now through this video I'll be talking in detail about the concept of option chain and how is it beautifully displayed and used on the Zerodha platform, that is the Zerodha trading platform. So before going further, let us understand what is an option chain. Option chain is basically a log or table which contains information about the options of a particular underlying asset at various level of strike prices. It gives details about all the various information which is required while trading an option. It gives you information about the pricing, the premium, the open interest, the implied volatility. All the information which is required while trading option is available. The use of option chain. Now let us see the option chain on the Zerodha trading platform. Now if you look at, this is how the dashboard of Zerodha trading platform looks like and running, but I'll explain you details about the option chain. So you go on a particular strike price which has been already I've added here. You click on that. You get something like an option chain here. You click on the tab. A separate tab is open with it, and you click on the tab of see full option chain. A separate tab opens for that, so which will give you information about all the different facets of option chain. This is very nicely explained and done on this platform. Now this is the option chain on the web. So what we see is that this is for the Bank Nifty, which is right now trading at 20,214. So it gives you pricing on the left hand side, gives you detail about the call option, and then on the right hand side gives you detail about the put option. It is right now showing the information about the prices and the changes in the prices for each and every strike price for the day. Now as we see that the market is slightly negative for the day, so we see the puts going up, which is highlighted in the green bar, and the calls coming down, and the value of calls coming down, which is highlighted because of the red bar available. So a 20,200 call option right now has a price of 412, which is shown here. And a call option has a price of 370 and it's at a discount from yesterday. So if for each and every level of strike prices, we can see the price of the option. Now if you take, for example, it starts from all the way from 17,200 and it goes down all the way to 23,200. The value of each and every strike price, and that is for call and put option, can be seen from this. Now we can also have a look here at the open interest. Now if you understand by open interest, what open interest means is the number of slots which are available for trading on a particular strike price on that particular day at that particular time. Take for example, again, if you take a 20,000 strike price, which I'm highlighting at the center of the screen, the open interest for put options have gone up and the open interest for call options have come down, which means the sellers are having a higher say in the market, and which can be very easily gauged with the help of this simple platform. It gives you information in a clear and concise manner. Now a lot of people must be saying that this table does not have information about the Greeks. Even we can get the information for Greeks if we click on the Greeks tab here, and it gives you detail about each and every Greek. Now on the left hand side, again, you'll have the data for all the call option. On the right hand side, the put option. And if you see the call and put Greeks on the top, because the Greeks for both call and options are same, so the Greeks value for all the strike price are available. For 20,200 strike price, which is now at the money for both call option, put option, the delta for an option is 0.05, which is highlighted here, and the theta, vega, gamma, all the information can be available here with the help of these data. So this is very clear, simple and concise way of looking at the option chain. Now one additional feature which is beautifully shown here is that you can buy and sell with the help of this table itself. Now if I want to say buy a put option, I just have to click on the buy and just click on buy option. It will just tell me the lots I want to see, the price at which I want to buy, and similarly I can sell the option also if I want to sell the option here, and have option of selling for the day, for carrying the position, for limit order and market order. So each and every information can be seen here, and it can be beautifully traded with the help of this option chain provided by Zerodha platform. Now if you are someone who is willing to learn more about options, the TradeBrains Academy has launched its new option trading course, which gives detailed information from what is option, types of option, what are option Greeks, what are different various option strategies. Each and every facet is explained there, and you can have a look about that on the TradeBrains Academy website.com, that is tradebbrainsacademy.com, and I'll also add the link to the description. Well, and a lot of people must be of the view that we don't use the web-based application, we use the mobile application. So the same option chain is available on the Kite application on the phone. I'll explain to you about that right now. Hi, so the same option chain can be seen on the mobile application of Zerodha also, that is the Kite application. So you pick up say any Bank Nifty option and you click on it, and if you scroll down you see something called option chain at the bottom of it. If you say click on it again, the option chain for the Bank Nifty contracts will open up here. See, this is how the option chain will look, and it's again divided into three different types of views, that is the last traded price, open interest, and the Greeks. So this is the last traded price for all the different strike prices. The left hand side of the screen has a call LTP, you see from on the top ticker, and on the right hand side there is some put LTP. LTP will the last traded price. So like if you take the example of 20,000 strike price for Bank Nifty at current level of 20,202, on the left hand side the call option is having a premium of 486.70. On the right hand side the put option is having a premium of 310.75. So we can see the premium for each and every strike price for Bank Nifty contract. It is up to 23,200 and starts from 17,200 strike price. So that is one super feature on the phone based application of Zerodha. It also has information about the open interest, that is the number of shares which are still available to be traded. It shows the increase and decrease of open interest in terms of percentage, and in terms of real numbers also. So like if you see that the open interest in the 20,200 strike price has gone up for both the for call option is reduced and for the put option it's increased. How do we know that? The green side on the green bar on the right hand side of put option shows positive and the red bar shows negative. So that is one additional feature on the phone application of Zerodha. And here information about Greeks also available here. So Greeks tells you the rate of change for different Greeks tells you different information about the put option. Now if I were to take the example of say 20,200 strike price, so the delta for this option is 0.51. Now what does that mean? For every 1 point increase in the value of underlying asset, which in this case is the Bank Nifty, the premium will change by 0.51. So supposedly if Bank Nifty falls by 50 points, then the premium will also reduce by 25.5 points. Premium will also increase by 25.5 points. Apologies for the mistake. So this is one important feature and a beautiful feature which is gained by Zerodha, which is very useful, and we can find information on all the deltas, right? Delta, Vega, Theta and Gamma. And for all the strike prices we can see that, like the strike price which is completely out of money has a delta of 0.002, and completely totally in the money has a delta of almost 1. So this is one additional feature given by Zerodha phone based application. Very impressive.